So first thing that we should talk about is something called a state registration. And so the state registration is kind of the initial sort of document that goes out where maybe after we have sort of decided to go into business for ourselves, this may be one of the first things that we need to do. If it's not the first document, it's usually a close second after we have put together our articles of incorporation, if we're a corporation, with the help of an attorney, or maybe our partnership documents. Maybe we've had an attorney draft a partnership agreement for us and a business partner. And so once we have that in place, one of the next things we need to do basically right away is we need to file a state registration. Now, in most states, you can file a state registration yourself. You typically don't need to have an attorney, but of course, if you have questions about that process, or maybe you get into it and maybe you're not sure kind of what to do, then, an attorney can be somebody that you're going to need to turn to in that instance. Do you need an attorney? In a lot of states, you don't need an attorney to actually file a state registration, although you may want one. So what is this? This is basically sort of putting yourself on the map in your particular state, where you're basically telling the Secretary of State, yes, we are a new business, yes, we're out here, and sort of making yourself official. So once we've kind of filed those initial formation documents, we're going to pretty quickly need to file a state registration.